Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to straighten your image automatically. First of all, you need to install the application Lightroom. For that, open your Play Store. Search for Lightroom. After installing, open the application. Here you can see the images in your gallery. Select the required image to edit. Here you can see the crop option on the bottom side. Tap on it. Here you can see the straighten tool. Tap on the straighten option. Tap on the tick mark. Now the image is straightened. You can straighten your image by a single click by doing this. By doing this, you can make your image more attractive and beautiful. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.